Chia seeds, tiny but mighty, have taken social media by storm due to their numerous health benefits. Originating from the Salvia hispanica plant, they're not just for smoothies and puddings, but a key ingredient in weight management. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet could be beneficial for weight loss. Their high in soluble fiber and protein content can make you feel fuller for longer, potentially leading to a calorie deficit. Research indicates that dietary fiber enhances weight loss and satiety. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains enough fiber to help you feel satiated, reducing the urge to snack. Protein in chia seeds also plays a crucial role in weight management by keeping you full and reducing ghrelin, the hunger hormone. This can prevent overeating and promote a healthier eating pattern. However, relying solely on chia seeds for weight loss without combining them with regular exercise and balanced eating won't yield significant results. They should complement, not replace, a well-rounded diet. Chia seeds' high fiber and protein content not only aid in feeling full but also support muscle mass growth, which can enhance fat burning when paired with strength training. For weight loss, nutritionists recommend soaking chia seeds to form a gel-like consistency. They can be added to various meals, offering versatility without altering flavors significantly. Some creative ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet include making overnight chia milk pudding, using them as a gluten-free flour alternative, or simply mixing them into your morning smoothie. Among the easy and delicious chia seed recipes are chia seed pudding, berry chia seed smoothie, and strawberry chia seed popsicles, which offer a healthier alternative to store-bought snacks. It's important to consume chia seeds in moderation as overconsumption can lead to digestive issues. Start with a small amount and ensure proper hydration to avoid gastric discomfort. While chia seeds are generally safe, those on blood thinners should exercise caution as chia seeds can affect blood clotting. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making dietary changes. Remember, chia seeds need to be hydrated before consumption to prevent digestive problems. Including them in your diet should not replace other nutritious foods but rather complement a balanced diet. In conclusion, chia seeds are a nutrient-dense food that can support weight loss by promoting satiety and reducing calorie intake when used as part of a balanced diet and active lifestyle. Remember, achieving weight loss is a combination of healthy eating, regular exercise, and mindful consumption of beneficial foods like chia seeds. Before incorporating chia seeds into your diet, I recommend watching my previous video that illustrates the pitfalls of improper chia seed usage and highlights potential dangers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe to stay tuned for more awesome content.